wings some more. Oh, he will. He looks like he's gonna flap his wings. Look at, that's funny. They're hanging out in the, waiting in the, in that when they got a whole lake. They're following. That one just looks like boss or something. What's he gonna do? He changed his mind. Okay, he's not gonna go follow that crowd. I thought because he was...
There goes that pretty.
Oh, okay, oh, look at this. Okay, who's the leader over here? They're pretty much all in a row. Oh my. Oh, and there's some more going in down there. Oh, run, run. I still don't see any young ones. They should not look like adults yet, but... Okay, let's go see what this... And this little group is going that way. I wonder if they have their own little entrances or whatever that they have to use. Who's in charge? They're funny. And these ones are just doing their own thing.
Oh, and then you got one lone one.
What? Where?
He's right up.
And here's the lonesome. He's trying to get there. He's behind. He's late.